channel. Welcome to the episode 11 of Learning Bharatanatyam Basics. In today's episode, we are going to learn Metta Adavu. You might see a variation of this Adavu from different Banis or different teachers interpreting their own way, but we are going to focus on the basic step that we do for Metta Adavu. I'm going to show it once and then we'll break it down as usual. I didn't make videos for quite some time. I have been posting reels and shorts. Do follow me on my Instagram account. But yeah, this is my first video in 2025. Hope to make more videos like this. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Saishri. I'm an engineer by profession and a dancer by passion. And I make videos related to dance and a little bit about my life here and there. In today's episode, we are going to learn Metta Adavu. In this video, we are going to focus on the basic Metta Adavu that most of us know. I will first do it and then break it down for you all as usual. Let's begin the class today. Kitta takka tai tum that tai ta ta tai that tai ta ta. This is one of the easiest Adavu that you might find in Bharatanatyam. So we are going to sit in Arimandi, sit in proper Arimandi, and then if you don't know how to sit in Arimandi, I have made quite some videos on Bharatanatyam, starting from Namaskara and then how do you sit in Arimandi and from the basics. If you are new here and watching for the first time, I will leave the playlist here. Just go and check out the playlist there. We are going to start by sitting in Arimandi and lifting our heel, placing our toes. Make sure your heel is in the straight line, 90 degree. If you're not able to, then it can be lower, but try as much as you can. This is not ballet where you have to hold your toes like this. This is Bharatanatyam. So yeah, you're going to be in this position and then hit, lift and hit. Tai tum that tai hit ta ha. While doing this Adavu, make sure you don't get up from your Arimandi. So this is what I see kids doing, that is they get up. That. We have to keep ourselves in that position. That's Arimandi and lift only our, from our knee. Let's just say from our knee we are going to lift and place our leg. Leg is quite simple. Let's focus on the hands now. We are going to hold Tripataka in both the hands. Make sure your elbows are lifted. And this is a straight line. Just for reference, this is a straight line. You are going to hold it in front of your chest. Make sure it's not too close or too far. It's just a palm distance. Yes. So when you lift, this is going to be a position. So tai, and when you hit now, you are going to extend your hand. So you are going to start from tai, yum, that, tai, hit, ta, ha. So when you place your hand away, make sure to look in that direction. I see kids doing tai. You can do it. If it looks beautiful, then why not? But I would prefer looking in that direction completely. So, and same thing goes when you place your hand above. It's not like this. It's your palm is always attentive. Let's just say. Okay. So we'll do it once together. Kitta takka tai yum that tai kitta ka tai yum that tai kitta ha tai yum that tak katti ginna tum. I hope you understood the Adavu. Please practice and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.